Good morning, my dear students. I hope so you have completed your work up to exercise 5.2. So today I am starting exercise 5.3, but before that I have to explain you about factors, because in that exercise we will do only about the factors, right? So what is the factor? So when two or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called their product. You know this thing, like 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. So 21 what we call the product. So each of the numbers being multiplied is called the factors of the product. This is the product, and the numbers which we are multiplying, that we call the factors of the product. Why? Because by the multiplication of these two numbers we are getting the product. So what these two numbers we are calling factors. Factors of what? The product, right? And if you will confuse about the multiple, so what we will saying, when we are multiplying the two numbers and the product we are calling the multiple, right? So we can say when two numbers are multiplying, then the product we call multiple, right? So this product, now in this case the two numbers that we are multiplying, that we call factors, right? The numbers when the two or more numbers multiplied, the answer is called the product, and the numbers which we are multiplying, that are called the factors of the product. So here 7 and 3 are the factor of 21. So factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. So if you are talking about the 21, so 7 and 3 are the factors of 21. So the condition is saying that the factor can be equal or less than only from the number. So like 21 is a number, so its factor are here where 7 and 3, they are less than that, so the factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. Now come here, I will explain you more that finding factor using the multiplication mean by the multiplication method. So find the factors of 16 with multiply we will find, because for this you should learn the tables, everyone, right? Because tables are very much important to finding the multiples, factors, and so many things, right? So please learn the tables. So firstly, 1 multiplied by 16, what will come? 16. 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, right? No other number is there in which 16 is coming. So whatever the numbers are here, like 1, 16, 2, 8, 4 and 4, these all are the factors of 16. So how we are writing here? Factors of 16 are, start from the smaller number, like 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, right? Here 4 is coming 2 times, but 4 is 4 only. We no need to write the 4 2 times. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Now here I am explaining you division method. Find the factors of 24 with the help of the division. Division you know. So when you will do with the multiplication method or the division method, factors will come same. So always, like in the multiple, we are starting multiply with 1. So here also, to finding the factor, we are always starting from 1. So 1 dividing 24. So 1 2s are 2, then 4 1 4s are 4. So what the answer is coming? 24. One more thing, if when you are dividing with a number and the remainder is coming 0, then we can say only the number by which we are dividing, that is the factor of the given number. So here 1 is the factor of 24. Now divide with 2, 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. So what is the factor here? 2, right? 2 is the factor. Here one more thing I want to tell you, the number by which we are dividing and the quotient is coming, both are the factors of 24, like 1 and 24 is the factor. Now here 2 and 12 both are the factors of 24. Now 3 8s are 24. You can see here we are moving with the sequence wise, 1 2 3 and 4 we are taking. So 3 8s are 24, right? So factors here 3 and 8. 4 6 are 24. 4 and 6 also the factor. Now one example I am taking for you here, 5 4s are 20 and 4 remainder. Here you can see when we are dividing with 5, we are having the remainder, right? It means 5 is not the factor of 24, because it cannot divide it exactly. So factors are here 1 2, like quotient we are dividing, this one we are taking by which we are dividing 1 2 3 4, all are the factors. Now the quotient also the factors 6 8 12 24, right? And the number was 24, so 24 1s are 24, so 24 is also a factor. right, of 24, because 24 can divide itself, right? So the number also by itself a factor. Here I am writing 5 is not the factor of 24 because 24 divided by 5 leaves a remainder. Now this is the question number first A of exercise 5.3. Look here. The numbers in the column A and C are the factors of number. Column A is this one and column is C this one. So they are saying these two numbers of these column are the factors. Of what? Factors of the column B. Means when we are multiplying the number from A and the number from C, what we are getting? The B. Because B is the product of that. So we have to find and then we have to color all the circle in the same. Right? Now you can see 2 here. So what we will multiply into, that any number we will get. Right? So you can see in this again and again I am telling you table you should learn. So you can see 2 multiply by 19, what will come? 38. I have done here also 2 multiply by 19, 38. That's why I have done here green color. Right? Now 3. 3, what we will multiply in 3, what that 39 will come? So 13. 3 multiply by 13 is 39. So look here, 3 multiply 39 is equal to 39. Right? Then 5. 5, which number can go? 85. Yes. 5 multiply 17, what will come? 85. Then 11 multiply by 7, then 78. Right? You can see here this method by using color or making the curves, this call that rainbow method also. Right everyone? That we will do next also. Right? So this question you have to do in the book only. Now this is the B question of exercise 5.3, that find factors using multiplication. Right? We have to do the multiply only and then we have to write the factors. So first is the 16. So always take 1 and the given number only. So 1 multiply 16 is equal to 16 because 1 is the factor of 16 and 16 also itself 16 because both number can divide 16. Now 2 8s are 16. So 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. Then in 4 table 16 is coming. So 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Right? Now this is also easy. 21. Here you have to write that also. Factors of 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now 21. You know 21. The factors 1 and 25 itself. So 1 multiply 21 is equal to 21. Then 21 is coming 3 table. So 3 sevens are 21. Right? So whatever the numbers are here when we are multiplying, all are the factors of 21. So 1, 3, 7 and 21. Right? So like this you have to do. One more I will tell you from this one, 36 one. This also easy. 35 you can do. So 36, 1 and 36. Always take the first step, this one only. Start with multiplication 1. 136 is equal to 100 multiplied by 30 is equal to 36. 2 when we will multiply in 18. 18 twos are you can say. So to multiply 18 is equal to 36. Then 12 3s are 36. Take here 3 multiplied by 12 is equal to 36. Then 4 9s are 36. Right? So these numbers all are the factors by which we are doing multiplication. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 9, 12, 18, 36. You can see here. These all